Hello, welcome back to M365 Professionals. SharePoint versus OneDrive. Key differences Microsoft offers two powerful cloud-based solutions for file storage, collaboration, and sharing SharePoint and OneDrive. Although these tools are both part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, they serve different purposes and cater to different needs. This article explores the key differences between SharePoint and OneDrive, helping you choose the right tool for your personal or business needs. What is SharePoint? SharePoint is a web-based collaboration platform primarily designed for team collaboration, content management, and document sharing within organizations. It acts as a central hub for sharing documents, managing workflows, and building custom web pages for internal use. SharePoint is highly customizable and is ideal for businesses that need a structured environment. For managing information, key features of SharePoint: team collaboration, designed for group work, allowing multiple users to access and edit documents simultaneously. Document management, advanced version control, check-in, check-out options, and metadata tagging. Intranet and web pages, build internal websites for sharing announcements, news, and other organizational content. Custom workflows, automate business processes with workflows for approvals, notifications, and more. Integration with Microsoft 365, seamless integration with Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and other apps. What is OneDrive? OneDrive is Microsoft's personal cloud storage service, primarily aimed at individual users for storing and accessing files from anywhere, while OneDrive also supports sharing and collaboration. It is more suited for personal file storage and lightweight document sharing. Key features of OneDrive: personal cloud storage, store and access files from any device. File synchronization, automatically sync files across devices for offline access. Simple sharing, share files and folders with external users using links. Backup and recovery, easily backup desktop, documents, and pictures folders. Integration with Microsoft 365, access and edit files directly from Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Key differences between SharePoint and OneDrive aspect. SharePoint OneDrive aspect equals primary purpose. SharePoint equals team collaboration and content management. OneDrive equals personal cloud storage and simple file sharing. Aspect equals audience. SharePoint equals business and enterprise users. OneDrive equals individual users and small teams. Aspect equals collaboration. SharePoint equals advanced collaboration features for teams. OneDrive equals basic real-time collaboration. Aspect equals customization. SharePoint equals highly customizable workflows. Intranets. OneDrive equals minimal customization. Aspect equals data organization. SharePoint equals structured document libraries with metadata. OneDrive equals folder-based structure. Aspect equals security and permissions. SharePoint equals granular permission settings for groups and users. OneDrive equals simplified permissions and sharing. Aspect offline access. SharePoint equals requires sync for offline access. OneDrive equals automatic sync for offline access. When to use SharePoint. Use SharePoint when you need a centralized platform for managing company-wide content. Your organization requires structured workflows for approvals or document management. You want to build an internal company intranet or web portal. Your teams work on complex projects that require advanced collaboration features. You need to control permissions at a granular level. When to use OneDrive. Use OneDrive when you need personal cloud storage for your files and documents. You want to access your files from anywhere and on any device. You need a simple way to share files with individuals or external collaborators. You want to sync your files across multiple devices. You need to back up personal folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. Integration with Microsoft 365. Both SharePoint and OneDrive integrate seamlessly with Microsoft 365 applications, making it easy to collaborate on documents and access files from tools like Microsoft Teams, Word, Excel, and Outlook. However, SharePoint's integration is more advanced, supporting complex workflows and team-based projects. OneDrive focuses on individual use and quick file access, security, and compliance. Microsoft provides robust security features for both SharePoint and OneDrive, including data encryption, multi-factor authentication (MFA), and compliance with industry standards like GDPR. SharePoint offers more extensive security controls for managing sensitive business data, while OneDrive is great for personal security and simpler management of file permissions. Conclusion: both SharePoint and OneDrive are essential parts of the Microsoft 365 suite, but they serve different purposes. If you need a tool for personal storage and lightweight collaboration, OneDrive is the way to go for team collaboration, structured document management, and building internal portals. SharePoint is the better choice. Understanding the differences between these tools will help you leverage the right one for your specific needs, whether you're an individual user, a small team, or a large organization. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.